Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Yagor, and today we're gonna be working on the Gladiator. So we're gonna be doing two little minor things to it, nothing crazy. Like I said, it's my wife's car, so the goal is just to make it a better daily, make it nicer, and honestly, nothing crazy because we don't take this car off-roading and doing all the Jeep things. So it's just a family car, and so today, first we're gonna do a full detail on the car. We're gonna wash the whole thing, interior and exterior. And after we do that, since we do have the Jeep Gladiator Sport, it didn't come with the nice leather seats, we're gonna be installing some seat covers. So I went with the Rough Country seat covers because out of all the research I did, that is the best seat cover to put on the car, at least for the Gladiator. So that's what we're gonna go with. We're gonna do the whole install. Minor stuff, but we're gonna review the products and make sure that it's as good as everybody says it is. All right, guys, so for washing the Gladiator, full detail of the Gladiator today, we're gonna be using the Salty Captain kit. So this kit comes with everything you need to fully wash your car. So this is including exterior, interior, wheels, everything you need. And I was fortunate enough to have the Salty Captain send me out this kit so I could try it out and just basically give you guys a review on how I like it and how good the product is. By word of mouth, I heard the product is great. I heard it does, every single product they have does a really good job cleaning and a good job protecting your vehicle. And it makes me hype, and I'm excited to try it out. And so let me walk you guys through what this kit entails and what comes with it. So obviously, it comes with the bucket, just a regular bucket. Also comes with the microfiber towels. It comes with a few microfiber towels, and it also comes in with the wash mitt, just so you can like dunk it in the bucket, or after you foam up your car, you just go in and use that to clean it, and doesn't scratch your car, doesn't damage your car at all. And then what I'm the most excited about is the pressure washer. This well, it's a pressure washer foam cannon. It's just a cannon. You attach it to your pressure washer, put the soap in there, and it'll coat your whole entire car in the soap. So I'm really happy about that because I can use that for all of my cars, my motorcycles, like anything I need to wash. Like that's what I'm the most hype about. And then after that, the products that they did send me was just interior cleaner, and this is good for all plastics or upholsteries. So like cloth seats, leather seats, carpet, everything interior, this product is good for. They also sent me a grease attack. It's just a multi-purpose degreaser, and literally it does exactly what it says it does. It's a degreaser, gets all the grease off your products. You can use that to clean your engines, the bottom of your car, if there's any mud or grease down there, if you have any leaks, it'd be a great product to clean it out. And then they sent me glass cleaner. Literally exactly what it says, cleans all the glass. And then they sent me out a 4-wheel drive and RV wash, and that's basically like just soap. It's a type of soap that is, I'd say, stronger for vehicles with more mud and stuff like that, and bigger vehicles. But you can use this on all vehicles that you have. It's really just concentrated soap. And then last, they sent me two little cool brushes. One is, I'd say, tougher, and one is softer. So I guess these are good for cleaning wheels. Probably use this to clean some stains in your carpet. And they come with the Salty Automotive little logo on there, which is super sick. So I'm about to try this out and see how I like it. So far the material is nice and thick. which I like a lot. They don't seem too complicated to install. They're all separate. So this should be pretty easy to slap on there. All right, so they're nice, just black, small little Rough Country logo on there. Cool thing I like too, each side has a little tag that tells you what side it goes in. So it makes the installation process a little easier. But this is overall what they look like. Super clean, they're actually pretty thick. So material's good. So let's see how it looks on the car. All right, that's what it looks like on there. Honestly, the bottom, this part, it still needs to be breaking in a little bit, you know, stretched out. Look good, but man, I hate this part. It looks so bad. I personally don't like it. I mean, I guess it'll protect it. I'm gonna put them all in there and see how it goes, but I think that looks really goofy. Everything else looks awesome though. But overall, you know, it's gonna protect the seats, and that's what we're going after. We're always at the beach, outside. We have a kid now, so it'll just make sure everything, it preserves our seat, you know? We won't get anything on our seats. But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna slap the other ones on and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. All right, guys, and that's a wrap for today's video. Gladiator is looking super clean. Salty Captain, dude. Products 100, dude. I would recommend them to everybody. They're good. Everything about them is good. Packaging was great. Shipping time was great. The product was good. If you look at the Gladiator, dude, the paint is like, it's like mirror. Like it looks great. Everything that comes in there, from the soap to the interior cleaner, glass cleaner, the degreaser, the foam cannon. The foam cannon is my favorite, dude. Like the whole car, just like all soaked up. You just got to come back and, you know, you scrub it in a little bit. But man, product is money. I would recommend it to everybody. And if you guys want to use it, the code below, Yagor15, you'll save yourself 15% off. I'm also going to put the link in the description in case you want to click on there and check out all their products. They have all these kits. They sell all the products separate as well. So like soap and all, whatever you want. If you just want the foam cannon, they sell it separate on there. But yeah, the link is below. The code is Yagor15. So I'm going to put it up right here so you guys can check it out. And then for the Rough Country seat covers, I love them. Honestly, the only thing I didn't like was the headrest, but you can't expect too much from seat covers, you know. Most of them are really bad. They're saggy and they're kind of a crappy material. The material of this one was really good. My wife really liked it. They're thick. You can take them off and wash them. It's safe to wash. I believe even in the manual it says you can wash with warm water and soapy water, and you'll be able to get it out whatever stains or dirt you got on there. The head cover was a little iffy on my eyes, but then again, it is seat covers. I can't be too picky with it. Overall, the product, give it a 9 out of 10. But that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Just a little other products you could potentially use on your car, your Gladiator or your Jeep. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget, videos go live every Thursday at 9 a.m. Eastern. Dude, I'm gonna mess that up every video I do. 9 a.m. Eastern. Just stay connected. Like the video, subscribe if you haven't yet. And I appreciate you guys for watching. And then stay tuned because we got much more videos to come with all the bikes, cars, Hawaii life, all that stuff. So appreciate you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.